Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I want to walk us through using extensions inside of our VS Code editor. So to get us started, when we're looking at the extensions, we're looking at this box over here on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and click my extensions box. And that's going to open up a list of different extensions that are out there that we can use. Now for this course, I'm going to recommend 4 extensions right away that you use, and that's going to help us for what we have just specific to this course. There's other extensions that you could be using if you would like to try them, or if you've already used VS Code in the past, you may have other extensions in your list already. But there's 3 different buckets that are listed in our extensions pane. We have the installed list, the popular list, and the recommended list. Again, the 4 that I'm going to recommend, starting off with, I'm going to type in icons into my list. And the first one that I see, it says VS Code-icons. This one has 12.2 million installations already at this time. That's a really good thing. So we're going to go ahead and install that. I'll select the install button. And the first thing it's going to say is, do we want to use VS Code icons or do we want to use the SETI Visual Code Studio icons? For us, we're going to go ahead and select VS Code icons. Now the next one that we're going to install is the live server. The one that we want has 27 million installations at this time, so I'll go ahead and select install. Now when you're installing extensions in VS Code, there's a lot of information in this middle window that you can see, and if I were to scroll down just a little bit, I'll be able to look at more, including how it is that we would use whatever extension we have enabled. So in this case, it's letting us know when it's time to use our live server. We're going to hit that Go Live button that's in our tray at the very bottom right-hand side of our VS Code window. Now the next one that we're going to install is called Live Preview. So I'll type in Live Preview. This one has 834,000 installations at this time. We're going to go ahead and install that one. Now the last one that we're going to install is a PDF viewer, because when we're working with our projects and our exercises and reviewing our lecture notes, it's really helpful if we can view the PDF directly inside of our VS Code editor without having to have a separate window open. So I'll type in PDF. In this case, the second one down is the one that we want, VS Code-PDF with 2.3 million installations so far, so I'll select install. And now when I look at our list of extensions, I can see that in my installed section, I have a total of 4 extensions. If you've used VS Code before, you might have more, but again, for this course specifically, I definitely want us to be focused on these 4 for right now. If you have any questions on extensions, please don't hesitate to ask.